Mummy bakes a cake. Mummy bakes a cake. A cake মানে? What do you mean by a cake? A cake means one cake is made by your mother. Isn't it? Isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. Mummy bakes a cake. So Mina ran in the park. That girl name is Mina. Ran in the park. What is the spelling of run? R-A-N. R-U-N, R-A-N, R-A-N. Run in the park. হ'বনে? হৈছে?
Running round.
অঁ past tense, present tense, future tense. এইকেইটাত আমাৰ গতিকে ভাৰ্ব মানে কি বুজাব? যেতিয়া someone does words that tell us what someone does are called action words. আৰু action wordsটোকে আমি কি বুলি কওঁ? Verbs. কোৱাচোন verbs কি?
Verb.
অঁ verbsটো কি?
Action word.
Action words. Action words example